In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Managing autocorrection is really easy, but finding it is a bit difficult. So I will show you exactly how to do it using only devices settings. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now click on System Management, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and manage on-screen keyboards to click on Gboard. Over here. Now you can hit text correction and scroll a tiny bit to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can switch it off or turn it on. Quick tip, if you decided to use autocorrection, I would recommend to try this feature called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace, because it's making using autocorrection even better. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!